Hi. Today we have a new puzzle from 1 to 10. Can you see what it is? Let's go ahead and start and find out what it is together. Let's start finding the number 1 piece. Number 1. After number 1 we have number 2. Number 2. Can you see what it is already? Let's find number 3 and add one more piece. Number 3. We have 1, 2, 3. What is next? Number 4. Exactly. You are right. It's a smiling dog. Let's find next number, number 5. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the next number? Number 6. Correct. After number 6 we have number 7. Where is it? Here it is. Number 7. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number comes next? 8, number 8. After 8 we have 9. Let's grab it. Number 9. For last finally we have number 10, that comes after 9 of course. Number 10. All done. Good job. We have a happy dog today. Before we go let's say all the numbers and also the colors. 1, purple. 2, yellow. 3, purple. 4, white. 5, yellow. 6, light green. 7, yellow. 9, light blue. 9, white. 10, red. All done. Let's say bye to the dog. See you next time.